Yeah, and let's see how he jumps in the water.
Oh, and you know what? He automatically knows the right direction.
Yeah,
Face him.
let's go. Let's put
It's
him
amazing.
Down. Put him down.
Face
right
him.
there.
Face him.
Put him
Katya,
down,
over
right
here. Over here. Over here.
There.
Face him.
There's a giant gap.
Face him the wrong way. Face him the wrong way. Now let's see. They're very smart. Unless he's been way too turned around. Ooh, you put him right on a thistle.
What?
A thistle.
Oopsie. Look at that. See, he doesn't know his way.
Well,
all right, put
he
him
did.
over there. That's right.
The other one did.
All right, come on.
Go on.
I mean, I guess frogs come in different intelligence. Different intellects.
Did I just let him go? Take a picture of him. One last picture.
I'm videotaping. Tickle his butt. Tickle his bottom.
Why?
All right, let's push him a little bit so he's
Go on.
jumping. All right, let's go.
Not in the window.
Why don't you take him to the water's
get
edge?
Off, get off.
Okay, hey.
Yeah. Okay, let's see how he...
Go that direction now.
Oh, God.
Jeez. Chaos. Chaos family.
Let's go. Take you home.
Okay, let's see. Move away. Let's see what he does. Come on, froggy friends.
Give him a kiss. You never know.
I already gave him 2 kisses.
He could turn into your prince.
I already gave him 2 kisses.
You did? He didn't change?
No. I already gave him 2 kisses on his back.
Ew. You got frog germs now.
So go on.
Is that...
Did you hear the other one?
Is that the one that makes that sound?
Oh yeah.
Daddy, could you show me?